Have you ever thought about a place that just seems to hold centuries of stories? You know, moving from ancient commerce to like quiet fishing, and now it's this vibrant tourist magnet.
Yeah, those transformations are fascinating.
Well, today we're diving into Bali, but probably not the one you're immediately picturing.
Right, different Bali entirely.
Exactly. We're setting our compass for a really interesting spot, Bali of Crete. And this deep dive is all about uncovering how this seemingly quiet place on the Cretan coast became the dynamic destination it is today.
It's quite a story.
It really is. Our exploration is built on, well, a stack of fascinating excerpts detailing this village's journey, tracing its path from ancient roots right up to its current pretty bustling status.
Yeah, there's a lot there.
It's a compelling narrative, you know? Adaptation, economic shifts, and a bit of a surprising identity twist. We're really going to try and dig into the layers.
And our mission for you listening is to genuinely unpack those layers. We want to move beyond just the surface facts, explore the deep history, the significant economic changes, and the really unique characteristics that define this Cretan village.
Right.
We're aiming to give you a clear, insightful picture of its appeal and, well, how it managed to reinvent itself so completely.
So what makes this Bali so special?
Exactly. That's what we're here to find out, piecing together the narrative our sources offer.
Okay, let's get into it. Let's unpack this journey, starting way, way back. Before it was the Bali we're talking about today, this seaside village had a really rich, significant past.
It really did. Ancient as Dale.
Yes. Our research points to it being the site of ancient Estelle. And more than just a name, Estelle was the vital maritime gateway for access.
Which was, one of ancient Crete's major city-states, a real powerhouse.
Absolutely. Think of Axis, known for its sophisticated legal codes, unique bronze craftsmanship. This wasn't just any old harbor.
No, it was crucial. A hub connecting Minoan Crete to the wider Mediterranean trade networks.
Imagine that. Goods, ideas, cultures, flowing in and out. That kind of port history, it always signals incredible strategic importance, doesn't it?
Definitely. And what's truly fascinating here is this continuity of settlement, but also this incredible, almost paradoxical shift in its main identity.
How so?
Well, you have this place with undeniable ancient significance as a key port, right? Facilitating trade for centuries. Yet, as our sources suggest, for a very long time leading up to the modern era, it transitioned into what they call a sleepy fishing village.
Wow, that's quite a swing.
Isn't it? From a bustling hub of international trade to, well, a place where life followed the rhythm of the tides. Small boats, the daily catch, a quiet, close-knit community.
That quietude really defined it for a long stretch then. It's ancient grandeur, just a whisper.
Exactly. Known maybe only to local historians, archaeologists perhaps. Makes you wonder what caused that shift from such prominence to such quietness.
That's a great question. Our material doesn't give us like one single reason, but it paints a picture of bigger historical shifts.